A dramatic twist is emerged in the attempted murder case against Bellarmine Chatunga Mugabe, the youngest son of Zimbabwe's late former President Robert Mugabe, as the legal proceedings prepare to unfold in the Alexandra Magistrate Court. His defense team is poised to present a controversial argument that the victim's gunshot wounds were, in fact, self-inflicted. This audacious claim is transformed what was already a high-profile case into a complex legal and forensic puzzle, leaving many questioning the true narrative behind the chaos of that Hyde Park night. Sanapina mashoko bwanyu kopangwa ina chinzi. Case closed. Chatunga Mugabe's shooting case takes new shocking twist. Gardener accused of injuring himself. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tip down number bwanyu kwa mchinzi. At the heart of this unfolding drama is the defense assertion that Mahlangu intentionally shot himself. This strategy, hinted at by Chatunga's legal representatives, including lawyer Ashley Mugia, introduces a legal of intrigue that challenges conventional understanding. According to a City Press report, Bellarmine Mugabe himself informed police that his security guard, Sifo Mahlangu, had shot himself. The question that immediately rises is, why would a gardener deliberately inflict such a severe injury upon himself, potentially a framed member of the prominent Mugabe family? This line of defense suggests a desperate attempt to absolve Chatunga Mugabe, or perhaps, as his legal team implies, there is a gain of truth in this extraordinary claim. Forensic experts and legal observers are now scrutinizing the medical feasibility of such a scenario. Self-inflicted gunshots wounds, particularly those intended to frame another individual, are exceedingly rare and typically leave distinct forensic signatures: the trajectory of the bullet, the presence or absence of gunshot residue on the victim's hand or clothing, and the distance from which the shot was fired are all crucial elements that forensic pathologists who meticulously examine. Experts note that distinguishing deliberate self-inflicted body damage from assault represents a significant challenge to the forensic report. Ndo mamiro azvakaita muri Zimbabwe in update atati tikupe panawo ayo yaBellarmine Chatunga Mugabe. Kuchonekwa kunzi kesi yacho hachinyasi kunzwisisika, anoda kuti ma-events acho nezvinhu zviri kutaurwa panguva ino hazvinyasi kubatana. Ina kumesection yedu muzofungura any more clip pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tiona forensic chiendera mberi ma investigations. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.